Over 1,000 feet wide and 727 feet to the bottom.
Where can I buy some bait around here?
Oh, I love electricity. Eddie says we're gonna get some soon.
What a magnificent achievement.
Clark, this is a family vacation. Could you try to stay with the family?
Sorry.
This way, please. The tour is about to start.
Welcome, everyone. I am your damn guide, Arnie. Now, I'm about to take you through a fully functioning power plant. So please, no one wander off the damn tour. And please take all the damn pictures you want. Now, are there any damn questions?
Yeah, where can I get some damn bait?
Eddie.
This way, please.
What'd you say?
This way.
Don't worry about the water leaking through the rocks, folks. It's perfectly normal. Please keep up with the tour. This is one of the oldest damn tunnels we have.
Audrey! Audrey, come here. Give me your gum.
Out of my mouth?
I don't care, any gum. Just give me some gum. What's happening here? Here. Just tell me, I'll catch up. Oop. Down. Ellen? Russ? Where the hell is the damn tour?